Uganda is piloting a project sponsored by the AfrExim Bank focusing on industrial research to facilitate African Continental Free Trade Area. This resulted from a meeting between Uganda's Minister of Trade and the Secretary General of African Continental Free Trade Area in July last year in Ghana's capital Accra, during which they agreed to hold follow-up meetings in Kampala.
So there are some project investment that are quite advanced. There are already feasibility studies, but we need more. We think in some of the projects we need to go deeper to design a business plan to show to investors that this is a good investment and they will have a return on investment.
The $400 million project, according to Antonio Gilberto, the senior advisor to the Secretary General of African Continental Free Trade Area, will work with the Uganda Industrial Research Institute, focusing on attracting investors in about 10 sectors, including agribusiness, mineral development, and value addition.
We went through 10 investment projects. The total cost is around $400 million. We still have some actions to take for them to be finalized and to be put on the table for investors. So this is just the first phase. We want to achieve. We want that by when we will convene in the investment forum, we have finalized all the homework for the investment to be attractive in terms of investors' perspective.
African Continental Free Trade Area Secretariat agreed to visit Uganda to study further the bankable projects that were presented. African Continental Free Trade Area committed to Uganda in mobilizing funds for implementation of the country bankable projects. Projects to be covered include those prioritized in UDC and Uganda Industrial Research, among others.
The African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, is a free trade agreement formed in 2018 by the African Union to create a single market across the African continent. However, its achievements have been minimal, and it's hoped that such projects will bring tangible results in facilitating trade among the member countries. Ndagire, NTV Business.